Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And the first one what we can do is to check if you have the last software version. Open the application and go to the settings at the right top. Right here we have update firmware, click on it. Now we're checking for updates and it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. And also the second method what can help you is to put your earbuds to the charging case and then wait about 15 seconds. After this time, the battery level of your earbuds in the charging case will update, so it can fix your problem, and after 15 seconds you just remove it from the charging case, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!